I won a Pokemon giveaway a few weeks ago, and today we're gonna open it. Now, I have no idea what's in here. Looks like a pack of Temporal Forces. That's awesome. Make sure there's nothing else in there, and there isn't. Yo, thanks so much for the comment. Congrats, enjoy your cards. Pokejoji. That's super nice. Came with the Lugia EX Jumbo card. I have the Blastoise EX, and Lugia is another Pokemon that I really like. I played a lot of Pokemon Silver when I was a kid, and it's actually really cool. Maybe I'll set that down there so then it can be seen. And it also has this little pack of cards. Oh, and a Pokejoji sticker. That's wicked. Starting out with Hollow Mr. Mime. Ho-Ho EX. It's another wicked one to have. Great Tusk EX. Espartha EX. Scorching Charcoal. Lugia EX. Drops in the Ocean. Suicune EX. Sunseed. And Iron Bundle. Never seen that one before. That's super nice. And the Mr. Mime. But the Suicune, Lugia, Ho-Ho, those I'd have to say would probably be my favorite. The Mr. Mime is really nice too. But I played a lot of Silver. I played a little bit of Gold too, and then when Crystal came out, I actually played that quite a bit, and probably my favorite Pokemon game of all time. Thanks a lot, Joji. And we'll open up that pack of Temporal Forces as well. May as well see what we got. Oh, we actually forgot a card in there. Grass Energy. Slugma. Solosis. Giddy, Electabuzz, Sandy Shocks, Reuniclus, Mist Energy, Nuzleaf, Reverse Hollow. Not even going to try to say that one. And a Drampa. Well, thanks a lot for that, Joji. I'll definitely put a link down below so you guys can check out his channel. Thanks for watching.